Fix crashing after 0.54F patch, freeze, audio stutter, and PC restart. Measure 1. Restart your PC. Completely close Path of Exile 2 in Steam. Restart your PC. Launch the game again and test it. Number 2. Verify game files. Open Steam Library. Right-click Path of Exile 2. Select Properties, Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Number 3. Update your GPU driver. Install the latest stable NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics driver. Restart your PC after installation. If the crashes started immediately after updating the driver, try a previous stable version. Number 4. Clear DirectX Shader Cache. Press Win-R. Type cleanmgar, press Enter. Select your Windows drive. Check DirectX Shader Cache. Click OK, delete files. Restart your PC. Number 5. Disable overlays and background apps. Disable Steam overlay. Disable Discord overlay. Disable NVIDIA AMD overlay. Close MSI Afterburner and Rivatuner temporarily. Launch the game again. Number 6. Remove GPU and CPU overclocking. Return your GPU and CPU to default settings. Disable any overclock or undervolt temporarily. Restart your PC and test the game. Number 7. Change the renderer. Open Path of Exile 2. Go to Options, Graphics. Switch between the available graphics renderers such as DirectX 12 and Vulkan, if available. Restart the game after changing the renderer. 8. Check audio drivers and devices. Update your audio driver through Windows Update or your PC motherboard manufacturer. Disconnect unused USB audio devices. Restart your PC and test the game again. Number 9. Repair Windows system files. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Run sfc scanow. Wait for the scan to finish. Restart your PC. 10. Repair the Windows image. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Run dism online cleanup image restore health. Restart Windows after the process finishes. 11. If your PC is restarting, return all CPU, GPU, and RAM tuning to default settings. Check for Windows and BIOS updates from your PC or motherboard manufacturer. A full PC restart can indicate a system stability issue, not just a Path of Exile 2 game crash.